I welcome all of you to this ultimate online learning series on data analytics with R. This is the advanced course in R, and some prerequisite for this course is required, and the candidate must have the basic knowledge of mathematics, statistics, and hands-on programming on R. The candidates who have already appeared our program on R programming for everyone, they have the clear idea about it, and they can better perform in this course while understanding all the basics they have already cleared. This course is designed in sequential, concise, and structured manner. It has 5 modules, and each modules having multiple sessions. I'll suggest all of you don't try shortcuts, attend all the session in proper way. This is the advanced course in analytics. That's why we are not going to cover the fundamental of R programming, because we have a separate program of R programming for everyone, which covers all the fundamentals of R programming. In this course, we'll cover the fundamental. We are going to start with the data analytics fundamentals, concepts, the life cycle of the data analytics, and then we'll proceed for some basic requirements of R programming, like how to work with RID, how to work with the R Studio, and then we may have some demo with it. Then we'll talk about some R libraries and packages, how to install them and how to use them. And then we'll also work on how to perform activities on data set, and how to handle the data set.